What's up guys, my name is Idan Abada. I'm the CEO of Bitcoin Merch and I have shipped over 100,000 worth of products or packages. Today I want to talk to you about shipping. Shipping is so important as a business operation. When you own a small business like an eBay or let's say return pallets, something like that, it's very important you get your shipping really good, like when it comes to the rates, when it comes to the operations, packaging. So today I want to talk to you about the operation side of shipping, okay? So when you are on a small business, you really have to be careful of where you spend your money buying labels. I used to buy labels from eBay directly or from UPS directly, and it's literally so expensive, it doesn't even make sense, and you will never grow a business that way. You have to create systems that will allow you to save money and do shipping on repeat, like multiple times per day, you're shipping. And creating a system is very, very important to this. So today, we're at the headquarters of Bitcoin Merch, and we're shipping hundreds of packages a day from here. I want to show you a little bit of the tools that I'm using and what I can do for you to help you improve your operations when it comes to shipping products. So today we're going to talk about Shippo as the software to use when shipping products. Now, if you go directly to eBay or go directly to Amazon, or if you go to the UPS store and ship something, you're going to pay 3x, 4x the amount of shipping. And until you get a lot of packages shipped, you're not going to get the good rates that Shippo can give you. So I'm going to show you how I use Shippo to ship a product and what kind of packaging I use, how I select my packaging, how I do my packaging to give the customer the best experience, and also to create a system so that way you can ship hundreds of packages per day and grow your business. Okay, so let's start by seeing what kind of orders I have today, and I have a sample order. So this is Shippo. I love Shippo platform because it's so simple. You import your orders here from your eBay, Amazon, Shopify, Etsy, whatever. It all comes from one place and then you ship it from there. So I like how everything is very, very simple. There are other softwares out there that's very, very complicated and it just spends your time. You just want to ship stuff, So anyways, we got a USB miner over here, an order here. So we're going to view the order and create the label. Okay, so we know what we need. We need to pack a USB miner. So let's go pack it together. I'll show you how I pack it and then how I print a label right here. Okay, so we are at the warehouse right now. I'm gonna show you how I pick product and ship it, okay? So as you can see, all our products have labels on them. It's very, very important to be organized in a warehouse so you can make sure that your products are moving. And if it's not moving, you can physically see it, not only on an Excel, but if you walk around the warehouse, you can see a pile of stuff that doesn't move. You're like, okay, I have to make sure this product moves. Let's go do something about it, right? So this is why everything is labeled like this and visible to you and not hiding somewhere in some box. You want to see the product. So I'm going to go ahead and pick the order, okay? It's very simple. It's just a USB miner. And because he has a membership, I can select anything I want for him. So I'm going to give him the best one I have. So I'm going to give him the gold nugget. It's the best USB Bitcoin miner that I got. And let's start preparing it, right? So we got the Bitcoin right here. You can also print the invoice if you want and put it on the table. If you have 100 orders, you do it that way. But I'm just doing one right now. So we got the product. I also always want to add some gifts. It's very, very important to add gifts. So we're going to add a pen here. I'm going to add fiat. This is real money, but it's worthless from Venezuela. It gives the customer kind of like a fun experience when they're shopping with me because they're like, oh wow, I'm getting real money, but it's worthless. Oh wow, Bitcoin is awesome. It creates a conversation and it's a cool piece, right? So you have that as well. And then there is also our own pool here. We have our own pool, which means when you set up the miner, they scan the QR code and set up their own pool. And I'm also going to give them instructions. So I'm going to have a card instructions right here for them. So then they know how to set up the miner. So you can set up the miner and then they can set up the pool and then they have their gifts and they have a little bit of merch. Okay, so now when it comes to choosing packaging, because this product already has a very solid plastic box, you can ship this in an envelope. In some cases, if the product comes in a cardboard box or you have multiple items or it's heavy, then I recommend using a box. But this way, you're actually saving money on the shipping, and it's a nice presentation to bring it in an envelope, and also it's lighter for the shipping. So you save money for the shipping for the customer and for you, and it protects the product, and everything is good. Now, I want to add more stuff to the customer. I always like to add more things. So let me see what else they got over here that I can give. Okay, we're also going to give him a nice Bitcoin keychain as well. So he gets a bunch of gifts and a bunch of fun things inside the box. Okay, now we have to create the label. So I'm going to go ahead and weigh it. 0.3 pounds. So I'm going to go to my shipping station. It's very important you have a shipping station. And then I'm going to write it down that it's 0.3 pounds. So I have here options of what kind of shipping I want to do. And you can select one. And I'm going to go ahead and select the cheapest this time, because this type of membership, it works better. But it really depends on you, on what the customer paid for. But I'm going to pick this one. And when I click buy, it will create me a label right away. So I just made the label with my Zebra 4x6 printer. I just put it right here nicely, and I'm all done. Now I'm gonna go to my area where I have USPS. It's right here. This is all my USPS stuff. I'm gonna put it right here, and that's the system, right? This is rollable, so then if I have a lot of them, I can put it right next to me, and I can just make a bunch of labels and fill it up, and then I bring it right here, and it's ready to go. As you can see, I spread it out to FedEx, UPS, and USPS, so that way, each person that comes in, he knows to pick up the right box, and that's it. So shipping is very, very important if you have an e-commerce business. It's very important to make sure you have the best rates. You make sure you have a system of where your packages are, where your tape is. You have a label printer, everything, so you can print hundreds of orders a day and grow your business. Shippo is a very, very useful, simple to use tool to save you money. I highly recommend it. I have a link below right now. And if you use that link, there is a lot of benefits of using Shippo for the first time. I highly recommend you using Shippo, and I would literally just start selling stuff on eBay and give it a try. You'll save so much money, because on eBay, they might tell the customer, hey, you have to pay $30 for shipping, right? But you go to Shippo and it's $10, and you just pocketed the $20 just like that, and boom, now you're making a lot more profit that way. So I highly recommend you use Shippo, give it a try, sell a few things on eBay from your house, ship it away, and then see what happens. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this kind of content, let me know, link below, what kind of business operations you want me to film, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.